Hey, curious minds, welcome back to Decode Dataverse Journey with Tina, where we simplify one concept at a time. Here's your second episode on the sequel series. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss an update on the series. If you are checking out this first time, make sure you check out the first episode, the real story behind database, which helps you understand how the idea of database were born before diving into the SQL Server history. In this video, we will learn about the history of SQL Server. The early days, let's rewind to 1970s when Dr. E.F. Cott introduced the relational model, the idea how the world stored and accessed data. In late 1980s, three tech giants, Microsoft, Sybase, and Ashton Tate, came together with one mission. What was that one mission? I'll tell you. They wanted to build a database system that was fast, reliable, and business ready. That collaboration gave birth to the very first version of SQL Server. So, the birth of SQL Server. In 1989, first SQL Server was launched, not even Windows, like when it was OS 2 operating system. When Windows arrived, Windows NT arrived, then Microsoft decided to go solo and released SQL Server 4 in 1993, the true foundation of SQL Server we use today. Then the evolution through years. Let's quickly trace the milestone that shaped SQL Server. First, 7.0 in 1998. It rebuilt from scratch, made lightweight and Windows native. Then later, SQL Server 2000, introduced on XML and OLAP, which is more for analytics purpose. In 2005, they added CLR integration, T-SQL enhancement, and stronger security. Then later in 2012 to 2016, always on availability and in-memory OLTP. Then later, 2019 to 2022, they introduced cloud connectivity, big data clusters, and AI with AI integration. Each version made SQL Server smarter and more adaptable. But why did Microsoft build SQL Server? So, Microsoft wanted one thing. What's that? So, that one thing is a database that could scale from student's laptop, like the laptop which you are using, to enterprise level. Like enterprises uses many servers, right? So to that enterprise level, just by using this. So the Microsoft designed SQL Server to be secure, reliable, and easy to manage. Why SQL Server is built by Microsoft? To make sure it is secure, reliable, and easy to manage. And also making it the backbone of data-driven systems worldwide. That's the reason Microsoft came up building with the SQL Server. Next, we summarize what we learned in this history. So today we decode how SQL Server started from a joint venture, like they were Microsoft, Sybase, and Aston Tate, joint venture, to the powerful relational system we know today. So, but understanding its history is only the half story. Next part, we'll practice hands-on. We will talk about the system configurations and what you need to download, the editions available, and step-by-step walkthroughs to install SQL Server on your computers. Are you excited? Say yes. So if you are excited to try SQL Server yourself, hit like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. This is Tina, decoding data with you. Until next time, let's meet in part 2. Keep your data journey alive.